I think this is very important here because we want to be clear in what the Supreme Court weighed in on. The Supreme Court was taking up this central question about whether a lower court judge has the ability to block this part of the president's policy and his agenda. The Supreme Court was not weighing in on the particular question of whether the president's push to end birthright citizenship is constitutional. And so what the Supreme Court does decide here is that they do clear this path for the president to move forward with plans to try to end birthright citizenship in this country. And this does have broader implications here because we know this is just one of many issues that lower court district judges have weighed in on. They've weighed in on a series of things when it comes to immigration, not just birthright citizenship, also asylum cases. When we're talking about the federal government, some of the hiring freezes that we've seen here in Washington, D.C. as well. We've seen those lower court district judges block those as well. So from the administration perspective, the White House officials behind me, they're going to be looking at just how broad can this go? What are the larger implications? Will some of those other rulings now have to be rolled back? And Diane, I will tell you, we're getting reaction in just now from the administration. We're actually hearing from Attorney General Pam Bondi for the first time. She says in a statement on social media, quote, "Today, the Supreme Court instructed district courts to stop the endless barrage of nationwide injunctions against President Trump." She goes on to compliment the lawyers, which she calls excellent, from the Justice Department. She says the Justice Department will continue to defend the president's policies so that he can implement them. And again, that's the basis of what we're talking about here. The administration firmly believes that lower court judges should not be able to weigh in and block the president's policies that he was elected on. And so going forward, this issue of whether or not birthright citizenship itself is constitutional, that could still make its way up to the Supreme Court. And during the oral arguments, we heard from some of the conservative justices on the bench. They did appear skeptical of that argument, asking a lot of questions on how exactly that would be implemented, Diane.